Welcome everyone to another sweet round of our training. Now over here, this is where we called gemini.google.com/app. This is just a Gemini website where you can actually generate yourself a copy, a text for your ebooks. Exactly. I said in our outlines, I said there is a place, or probably there is how you can actually generate a text, a copy for that kind of your own topic you want to include to your ebook, to your document. You get the main point now. There has to be this text that your prospect that are buying these ebooks from you have to go through. These are text. So text is what you have to jot down to a particular document, and from your document you upload it somewhere where they can have an easy access to it. That is it. So yeah, for the purpose of the training, I'm making use of Gemini. Though we have different websites you can actually generate a copy, a text from, where you can actually generate a content for a particular ebooks from. But for the purpose of the training, for the purpose of the free training, we will be working on Gemini. Now, before anything else, I quickly want to show you how you can have an access to this exact place. Now, coming over here, what you just need to type is just Gemini. Or probably, if you don't want to type that, you can just type Google Bard. Okay, Google, and then you type BARD. So this is the exact page, this is the exact website we are working with. You can see chat to start writing, planning, learning, and more with Google AI. So this is how you can actually supercharge your creativity and productivity, okay, into pasting it on a certain document to sell online. That is the main gist, and this is how I've been doing it for myself too. Sure. Now let's dive into our today's training. So please remember, this is a practical. What I'm doing in here is something you can actually implement with your phone. Please, whatsoever things that I'm doing with my laptop, it's something you can actually do with your phone. Just take note. In case there are some outlines I'm not making a mention of, you implementing it on phone, just know that whatsoever things that I'm doing, because everything that I'm doing here is something you can actually do with your phone. You get it? If you have to search for this website, it's something you can have an access to with your phone, with your smartphone. So that's that. But for the purpose of the training, I'm not signing in again, because if I have to sign in, it will request me to include my own Gmail. But as you can see, there's no need for me to include anything like a Gmail, because this is just an incognito mode. Now I've already logged in somewhere. Let me just go back. As you can see, yes, it. But please, for your own sake, for your own implementation, include your own pasting your own Gmail or email in there, and then sign up. It's very important to register with your email. Just register. So the moment you register, you have an access to this exact page instantly. You have an access to this exact place. Now, here's it. I have a prompt that I'll be making use of, and that prompt is what every one of you will be making use of. And again, I want you to know that this prompt might actually generate me the same thing as yours. Very well. And now there's a trick where you can actually tweak your prompts so that this generating of text won't be the same like mine. Are you getting the main point now? Now, if I have to give you, okay, let me just quickly paste in the prompt here. You can see where I pasted in the prompt. So write me a well-detailed long ebook on how to get rid of stretch marks. Know that how to get rid of stretch marks is just on health and wellness niche. You know that, right? That's good. Now make it a simple English, and also start with the outlines. Our prospects need to know the outlines of that content before they eventually start reading our ebook. You get the main point now. So yeah, if I'm giving you access, of course I'll be giving you the access to the prompt, because that is what today's training is all about. And like I said, it's a practical, so you have to do it yourself and then submit to the group, to the assignments group. Sure, you have to submit to the assignment group. Now I have to click write me a well-detailed long ebook on how to get rid of stretch marks. Make it a simple English, and also start with the outlines. Now when I click on this icon you are seeing here, submit, it will generate me a text, a copy, a content. Now when it generates me this content, you might actually make use of this same prompts, and then it will generate you the same content as mine, like mine as well. So how can you escape this? There's a way you can actually twerk it to escape the same content, having the same content with me, or having the same content with hundreds, thousands of people out there. You want yours to be different, of course, right? You want yours to be different because there are a lot of people buying how they can actually get rid of stretch mark, and you wouldn't want a case whereby when they have an access to your own get rid of stretch mark, they are also reading the same content on someone's ebooks. You want to like escape that. You don't want anything like a copywriting or copyrighted something like that, copyrighted content, or you want to escape anything that would cause you unnecessary wahala. So there is a way you can actually twerk it, but like I said, it is a free training, and of course you will know how you can actually twerk it later on. But then let's just proceed into today's training. Now let's click on submit. Now you see the magic. Automatically you are seeing the action of Gemini. Are you seeing the action? You can see it. It's this is the outlines. So generate yourself this exact thing as well. When you generate it, please don't post it in the group yet. You have to like watch the second or probably the next video. That is the final video for our today training, which is for day 1. All right, so that training is what will put you through the exact thing, the next step for you to do, and how you can actually submit yours to the group as well. So yeah, you can see this is the content. You can see how sharp, how good it is in an arrangeable manners. You can see. So this is something you can actually copy. You copy it. Let me just copy it somewhere. So I'm copying mine. You can see mine is being copied. So since I've copied this now, I can actually paste it on my WhatsApp or somewhere so that I don't lose an access to it. So in the next training, I'll be working with my smartphone. I'll be working with a smartphone so that you yourself, you can know that this is something you can actually do with your smartphone. You get it? So alright, so yeah, please, before we move to the next training, it's very important you know this, okay? So if you are done generating this content, it's very important you listen to it at least for a while. Just listen to it so that you yourself, in case you don't know how you can actually read, alright, in case you don't know how to read, I mean, for some people, exactly, some people actually know how they can actually write down something, but they don't actually know how to read. And there are some, they know how to read, but they don't actually know how to write. But at least if they're able to like listen to whatsoever things being jotted down for them, they're able to know or understand the concept about all the things. You get it? So just click on listen. So that listing is would eventually play you the content you're able to like generate on this exact website. So
ebook outline: how to get rid of stretch marks. Introduction: what are stretch marks? Causes of stretch marks. Prevalence of stretch marks. Understanding the science behind stretch marks. Prevention strategies. Healthy lifestyle. Balanced diet.
So that's it. Very simple. Very simple. So let's meet the next training. Thank you.